Okay, we want to look at how to do some of those arrays that I gave you yesterday. How many toes are there on 2 feet? Now, when you get a problem, a multiplication problem where you want to use arrays to help solve that problem, you don't have to necessarily draw exactly what they gave you in the problem. Like in this instance, they say how many toes are there on 2 feet. So if you wish, you can draw 2 feet with the toes on them. But what you really want to do is just get something to represent the 2 feet or the groups that you're trying to make. So this question asks, how many toes are there on 2 feet? Now, 2 tells me how many things I'm going to be working with. 2 groups of something. So I will have 1, 2 rows. 2 what? 2 feet. And they want to know how many toes there are on these 1, 2 feet. So I know that a foot, normally a healthy normal foot, will have 5 toes. So I'm going to write something or draw something to represent my 5 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I decided to use stars for my 5 toes. 1 foot, this is my 1 foot, and these are the 5 toes, or something to represent the 5 toes. And since there are 2 feet, I got to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So my 1, 2 feet has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toes each. Altogether, I have 5 and 5, 10 toes. So this is my array to represent this. I didn't have to draw 2 feet. I just needed something that would give me the numbers that I want to work with. So my 2 feet, 1, 2 feet, has 5 toes on 1 foot and 5 toes on the other foot. And that means 10 toes altogether. Now, I could have done this differently. I could have drawn my 2 feet. 1 foot, 2 foot, and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could have drawn 2 feet with 5 toes each. If I did that, that would still work because I just need to count toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 2 feet by 5 toes gives me 10 toes altogether. So that is 2 different ways that I could have worked out my problem. How many toes there are on 2 feet.